Okay, so what's the question on the half surface hinge from BAHCO?
So, are you talking to me?
Yeah, I am. I'm all yours.
When you look at the photos of this hinge, you'll notice one of the leaves is actually slightly bent. Is that the one that you would attach to the frame or the door?
So the leaf that is closest to the barrel of the hinge is the leaf that goes to the frame.
So the one that is perfectly straight would go to the frame.
Well, the no, in this case it would go to the door. You mean the leaf that's furthest on the left.
Okay, thank you. Say that again.
So why don't you walk over here and let's just look at this together. So what we have, are you talking about this?
Yeah.
Okay. So what you would have is the frame would sit like this. Okay, and here's the door. It would swing out this way. So the purpose of the swing clear hinge is when the leaf is going to be like this. Okay, then your door sticks out here. Okay, so the point is this line here, this is the stop of the frame. It will take the door, a swing clear will take the door as it moves it out like this and make it so that the door itself is out of the opening. The door would actually be a little bit closer to here, but it moves it out of the opening because you're taking the vertical axis of pivoting, which is this, and moving it from about here where a normal hinge would be, right? And you're moving it over here. So that's what allows the door to get moved, swung clear of, hold on, the clear inside of the frame, because when it comes to handicap compliance, you must maintain a net clear opening. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.